After the rainy season, stone curtain walls on buildings are prone to heavy moss growth. Traditional manual cleaning is inefficient, and conventional cleaning drones lack the ability to perform close-range, high-power cleaning, making it difficult to ensure satisfactory results. The T50, equipped with a flexible joint system, enables ultra-close, multi-angle, high-intensity cleaning. Combined with the DIC water treatment system, it supports multiple cleaning agents and processes to effectively remove stubborn moss, dust, and other contaminants adhered to the surface of stone curtain walls. Its cleaning performance has been highly recognized across the industry. Powered by globally leading flexible embodied robotics technology and supported by a top-tier professional service team, we have built a proprietary safe and clean service value system. This ensures truly zero-distance anti-interference cleaning. No blind spots, no residue,